The power of full color meets durable, certified materials. Here's how to load your BradyJet J4000 and maintain its high print quality. With the power turned on, open the printer cover and place your material all the way on the roll arm. Slide the guide until it's flush against your material roll and flip the tab up. Now's a good time to adjust the gap sensor. Move it so the arrows align with the label liner gaps for pre-sized labels or the notch for tags. Then adjust the throat guide so it's almost touching the edge of the label liner. Feed the leading edge into the printer until it senses the label. It will automatically feed into position. To unload your labels, just press the unload button. To install the ink cartridge, pinch and lift the tab on the carrier lid. Remove the tape from your new ink cartridge and place it in the carrier, tilted at a slight angle. Press down on the lid until the cartridge clicks into place. Every time you change ink cartridges, we recommend running the Align maintenance tool in the Brady Print Hub program. A test label will show you the results. If you notice reduced print quality, use the Clean tool to improve ink cartridge performance. For more BradyJet J4000 support, check out our website.